The Amalgam Toolkit is getting its first UI update in quite some time, and I want to show you around. So this login page, not too much that's different from what you're used to, but when you actually load up the app, you'll see that instead of having two different tabs, we start you on this screen where you get to choose whether you want to download data, that's what we used to call reports, or if you want to two-way sync data with your integrations, which is what we used to call resources. I'll choose download. You'll see we've got a nice new loading animation. Then you choose a provider, which is a little bit more visually interesting. If I want to search, I can do that. You can do that through all of the steps of choosing what you want to do. Let's say I want to do a profit and loss. I'm going to select that, and you can actually choose multiple reports. So let's say I also want to do a balance sheet. I'm going to move forward with those, and then I'm going to do them for ABC widgets. And again, you could choose multiple of these if you want to create multiple reports for multiple different integrations all in one fell swoop. This is going to load up and make our two reports. I hope everyone oohs and ahs over the loading animation. You'll also see that our notifications are now at the bottom of the screen, so they don't block your view while you're trying to accomplish any of your work. Now the control panel here is a little bit different. It's all the same buttons that you're used to. They're just a little easier to find if you're a new user. Click Run Report to run here. There's also the Run All button if you want to run all the reports in the workbook. This will refresh your drop-down menus. So let's say you added a chart of accounts. You can hit refresh, or if you want to relink this with a different system, you can do that as well. To add more Amalgam tabs, you can either go back, and that goes back one step at a time. So you can work from within QuickBooks, for example, and just choose reporting. Or if you want to go all the way back to the beginning, you can just hit this home button up at the top to restart the process all afresh. We've got some helpful links here, including this link to the video you're watching right now for new users who want help getting started. And at any time, whether it's because you're choosing or whether it's you've moved between tabs and the sheet has gotten a little bit out of sync, anytime hit this refresh button and it will load up the control panel for whichever tab you currently have open. That's it. Hope you like it. Any questions or feedback, you know where to find us.